Hello and welcome to another Solid Steel Parametric for Autodesk Inventor video. We're going to take a look at the cutting features, but first we need some profiles to cut. Here's a quick run-through. How this works exactly is shown in another video that we'll put on the end screen, and the link is also in the video description. Okay, let's start with the actual cuts. We will just start here in the corner with a miter cut, which we will create with the tool of the same name. It's very easy. We just have to select both profiles, get a preview, and then we can confirm directly to execute the cut. That was a quick task, so let's move on to this stage beam and take a look at the cope cut function. We simply select the profile we want to cut, and then the profile we want to cut on. The preview will appear immediately. Let's have a look at the options. We don't need the second side here. It would be the second cope cut on the bottom of the beam, for example when beams of the same height meet. Here at the top we can set the depth of the cut. Here the width. And here the corner radius. The corner radius is now a chamfer, but we can change it to a radius or a bore. I'll leave it at the bore, confirm, and the cope cut is done. It's important to note that Solid Steel Parametric performs all machining operations at part level. So let's take a look at this beam. We can see here that we have created the editing with a normal cut feature, which works with the sketch layer at part level, even though we are designing at assembly level with Solid Steel Parametric. No external references are created. Next, let's take a closer look at face cuts. Of course, you can simply select a face and then a beam with the face cut tool, and, as expected, you will see the cut in the preview. The arrow shows the direction of the cut, which we can confirm. We can also use the same tool to extend profiles. Let's say we want to cut this face with this profile. The arrow shows us the cutting direction again, which we now have to invert, of course, and we can confirm. The first profile is now extended. Now we select this face to cut this profile. The invert option is unchecked. Preview fits, confirm, and this cut is also finished. However, we can also perform more complex edits with the face cut. To demonstrate this, I will add another beam here on the diagonal sketch line. As you can see, this new beam has to be cut several times to fit into the corner. With the face cut tool enabled, we select this face and the beam for the first cut. Confirm. And do the same directly with this face and our beam, and confirm again. We have now easily created a multiple cut on this part. The ability to work with multiple cutting planes allows for more complex editing and is quick and easy to use. Even with the free Express version of Solid Steel Parametric, you can add as many profiles and cuts as you like. Try it out for yourself. That's it for today. See you next time. Please like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more videos.